Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a summer room tour for 2022. So yeah, let's just get started. So on my door, I have this sign, fruit stand, lemonade, strawberry pickin'. Up here, I just have some random little portraits and then a quote up top of my door. Here's my closet, dream big, butterfly crown. Right here, be your own kind of beautiful, Rachel's closet, and then that. Yeah, there's my closet. Over here we have my dresser, and up top is all my other decor. So I'll give you guys a little overview. Here is my dresser. Have some grad signs from when I graduated, some little beachy vibes, some more summer stuff over here. I have like a 4th of July little lay, my backpacks, my little Snoopy dog. We have another little 4th of July thingy, popsicle, my calendar. We have a candle right there. These are my 4th of July gnomes, super cute. We have some plants. Up here we have a 4th of July little heart thingy, my food cart, some shoes, clothing thing, my purse, headphones, my mini trash can next to my bed, all of my gadgets and gizmos, my pink tree that I keep up all year round. Over here we have my bed. I hung up some fun pictures. Here's my bed. My hat collection over here. And then over here we have stuffed animals, my Bath & Body Works collection, lip balms. I recently redid this wall and this wall with some cute little photos. I'll zoom in so you guys can see. Looks like that. And then over here, I redid this wall yesterday. And then my skincare cart, scrunchies. Back there we have hair stuff. Here's this, more decor, my mirror, my makeup collection, like eyeshadow and stuff, brushes, my vanity mirror, makeup bag, stuff like that. So yeah, guys, that's my room tour. I'll give you guys a little overview. I also keep like my calendar and stuff on that side. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.